Hello everyone, good day. I am Desiree G. Malina, a proud member of the Hoy Maharlika Polomolok chapter, and a second year student taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English at Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges, Marbel Incorporated. My academic journey is defined by perseverance, dedication, and strong commitment to excellence. Before entering college, I consistently demonstrated my passion for learning. During my high school years, I was a consistent honor student and graduated with high honors, along with receiving several exemplary awards in different subjects, just like Best in Calculus and Best in Oral Communication. I was also an active member of our school's cultural dance club, where I developed confidence, discipline, and teamwork. While waiting for my college enrollment, I became a member of the Girl Scout of the Philippines and applied as a Chief Girl Scout candidate, one of the most prestigious awards in that organization. As a part of this journey, I led a 35-day feeding program in our parok, which required dedication, leadership, and true preparation of documents. Through hard work and determination, I successfully passed the council, regional, and national evaluation, and I was honored to become a Chief Girl Scout medalist. Now that I am a college student, I continue to strive for excellence as a consistent dance lister from my first year until the present with a general average grade of 95.27%. This achievement reflects my discipline and determination to succeed academically while also growing as an individual. At the same time, I am also a working student as a house helper, balancing my academic responsibilities with my job, despite different challenges, I always do my best to manage my time effectively and remain committed to both my studies and personal responsibilities. This school year, I became a member of the Hoy Maharlika Polomolok chapter, where I actively participate and contribute to the organization's activities and goals. As a working student, I make every effort to attend and support all organizational events and activities, reflecting my commitment through cooperation, responsibility, and active participation. Through Hoy Maharlika, I have met different individuals who are capable and inspiring, motivating me to grow and improve myself. Being surrounded by such passionate and driven people has helped me enhance my leadership skills, build my confidence, and develop a stronger sense of unity and belonging. That's why I am truly thankful to them, especially to Dr. Colliantes, who gave us opportunities like this to grow and excel. Now, my journey as high achieving student, a dedicated Girl Scout leader, and now a consistent dance lister, working student, and an active Hoy Maharlika member reflect my passion for excellence, service, and personal growth. I will continue to uphold these values and strive to make a meaningful contribution to my school, organization, and community. Once again, good day and thank you so much. Mabuhay, mabuhay ang Hoy Maharlika, mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you so much.